E36 parts that I'm willing to give away, guys. I have a bumper, it has the diffuser, the beadings, everything is there. I have a bumper also here with the indicator, orange indicator, side, whatever. The boot is there. I think I have a seat right there, guys. I have a lot. So yes, guys, we were about to start the car, so we have a lot of problems with the car. So the E36, the battery is flat. Took the battery somewhere where they are gonna try to revive the battery. Where I have, okay, I'll just have some hope. And now here is another problem, guys. Here is another problem, guys. The problem is with the stator motor. This is the stator motor. This is the solenoid here. Okay, let me show you. This is the solenoid, students, and this is the bendix. This is the bendix. So this thing shoots up. Once this gets a pulse from you turning the key on, hits there, this thing shoots there. If you've ever played around and fooled around, you'll see that. So this car would constantly go until it hooks, and then because this moves up and then it spins to the flywheel, so mine would always go. So that meant it was biting on the flywheel, chowing the flywheel, guys. So the bad news is it was chowing the flywheel. The good news is the flywheel is still okay because it's made of heavier and stronger material than this is. So this is made of weak material. So look at this, guys. This is bad. I've never had a stator do this. Once the stator would go, I'll just leave it. So with any car, if you are having a slippery stator motor, statara, this is the problem. So the problem is with the bendix. You need to replace the bendix, and the solenoid normally it just goes like, you know, when you have a, like, when it feels like it has your battery is low, but it just goes. So this thing is not moving. This normally is the problem. This is easier to replace, guys. So here normally with other cars you just have 10mm bolt. So here it's not an Allen key, it's a spline, I think. Am I correct? You'll correct me there. It's a spline, but even if you have a small Allen key, sometimes it just go in there. Sometimes you just get a star that if they're not tight, it will just come out. You just take it out, then you loosen out this. This looks like a 13. You use a 13, and then you buy another one, you replace it. Because, guys, I've learned to do it on my own, because this would cost me something like 200 rands to fix it, to buy a new one, and then the labor will also be like a 250. Now I'm spending like 450 to 500 rand for something that just needs you to loosen 3-4 bolts, and then you put a new one, then done. Then you just put it in. I think it holds with, I think with the BMW the problem is just with access, but once you try to find your way, you will make it. There are these long bolts that go onto the gearbox there that you're gonna need to place in and out. So yeah, so currently with the project now, the E36, this is the problem that we are currently having. So moving right away, we are going to fix this. The battery, I don't have money to buy another battery, guys, but the battery is also in for repairs. The battery is also in for repairs, so it's going to need to be fixed. And also we have this again. Guys, you know, with being a backyard mechanic, sometimes, guys, we just become cheapskates. I mean, this thing is like a 250 rands to replace, but guys, this thing has just been working, that I am gonna use it again. Okay, let me not use it again. I'm gonna maybe try to buy another one. So this thing has snapped. This is the cam sensor, so the car won't start because of this. It's because of the cam sensor. So what I do is connect this manually. Guess what? The car started. Even when you mix them together, somehow the M43 would start. Like, guys, German. What's your experience with the M43 BMW E36? Any comments? Drop them there. So that's the main issues we are having. We have this as a main issue. We have the stator motor as the main issue. We have the battery as the main issue. We still have the windscreen, but we are moving well with our project, guys. Thank you so much. Please make sure that you subscribe.